Hello boys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing some Off-Road Outlaws, our series, all out diesel. Joe boy know how to do the series. But before the video gets started, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much everybody for 74, I think it's 73. Thank you so much for 73 subscribers. We are on the road to 100K or 100,000 subscribers. Get us to that, and I promise I'll ask my mom if we can do a stream, or I will try to do a video. And if you guys want to follow the Discord, by the way, it'll be linked in the description down below. My Discord server. You guys can post your pictures in the Off-Road Outlaws chat, and then I can do a Rate My Rides 100,000 subscribers special. So if you're excited for that, please like and subscribe. Now, let's hop in the truck. Let's see. Let's pop over here. The game is laggy again. And yes, I have the gun this time. I'll be back. Okay. I am back. And wow, the game is laggy. For some reason. Alrighty. Let's get out of here. Look behind me. Okay, no one's coming. Oh, I passed it. Screw it. We're gonna go. Well, I guess you can go around this way. So, woo. See, look at that. Turn off the diesel. Yes. Can I get a number 9, a number 5, and a number 6? And number 7. Okay, thank you. Start it up. Alright. Here's my card. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Alright, we'll park over here. So I got a number 9 and everything I said. Because I got the guys with me, bro. You can't see them because this is role play and I don't have anybody with me right now. So Dave, how you liking being my manager? It's nice. Well, that's good. And Jack, how you liking being my employee? To do shop stuff. Oh, good. And Jake? Nice. Okay. I'll see you guys when we are done eating. Okay, we're done eating. Let's get back to the shop and work on that Dodge Cummins. Yes, we have a Dodge that we are going to be working on today. Yep, so we have a Dodge that we will be working on today. Sorry, guys. Yeet. Ooh, yeah. Here you go, guys. I'll drop you off here. Alright, bye. Okay, so I just dropped them off. And we'll see my uncle's shop. Yes, he bought this place. So, yeah. I said, hey, yo, can I come over and see how you doing? He goes, yeah, me. Yeah, go ahead. Hop the fence. Oh, I can't hop the fence. I'm too short. FD. I'm not sure what that name is. It's probably Fine Direction, maybe? Yeah, that's what it's called, but you know what? Yeet. Jump over the bush. I'll be back after I see him. Alrighty. So, he is working on a Chevy Cat Eye. And we're going to be working on a Chevy Cat Eye next video. I think next video, he has another cat eye. And we might just get one from him. It's a exact one like this. And all we gotta do is just build it. Which I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna do American Forces or change it up a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna spoil it. I already know what I'm gonna do, but see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, the truck is done. Let's go see this mammy jammy. Woo! Kinda cool looking. Alright. Dang, the guys did good on this thing. I don't like Dodges, but dude, it's a lot better than a Ford 6.0, okay? So what we have here, we have a light bar, we have a winch, we have a big old bumper, tinted lights, black American Forces with kind of meaty tires. It's a Ram 3500, obviously a Cummins. Then we got steps, the dually, and we got tow mirrors, boost auto parts. Then we got that. The windows are tinted. Tinted back taillights, toolbox, back bumper, blue under, 9-inch exhaust, 2 dualies, and yeah, so she looks nice. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's go take it around the block, bro. See what this thing can do. You know what? Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Woo! I'm sorry if the video is kind of laggy, guys. Like, it is very laggy in the game. So hopefully it's not laggy for you guys. Otherwise that video is about to suck. Cause I'm trying to make my videos high quality, bro. Trying to get to that 100,000 or 100K subscribers. You know what I mean? So, yeet. So let's get back to the shop. Actually, hold on. Remember how that one video I told the guy that I would come back? Yeah, let's come back and see this dude. Alright. Yo, where you at? Oh, there you are. About to jump up the car, are you? The window's tinted. I can just see his mouth moving. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Oh, you don't got any vehicles yet? Alright. Well, yep, I'll see you later, man. Oh. Duck. Got him. Alright, see you, man. Alright. So, as you've seen, I reshot a duck. Let's go retrieve that duck. I think it went over the fence. Yep, sure did. Retrieve this duck. Sheesh. $2,000, bro. That's more than I make over these trucks, dude. Turn around here. Now we'll get back to the shop. And yeet. I wish Alfred Ellis had interior stuff to where it actually looks like a real car. Cause the outside, you know, this is a Dodge. Okay, perfect. But what happened to the inside? Like, Alfred Owls did have it at one point. Why did they take it away? I thought it looked really, really cool. Because it looked realistic. Alfred Owls, if you're watching, please bring that back. That looked really cool. Alright. Park up over here. But anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And put post notifications on so you never miss a single video that I post.